Hi guys, so today we're going to be making fudge again, but this time it's a little bit different, okay? So I will show you what ingredients you need. So this recipe is really good because it only involves 3 different ingredients. So the first one being 400 grams of white chocolate and a tin of condensed milk, okay? And this is where you can change it slightly, so you can add your favourite biscuits, okay? So I'm adding Oreos, so we've got some plain Oreos and we've got some mint ones. So you add about 14 of your favourite biscuits and basically crunch them all up so they are in chunks like this. Okay, so first thing we want to do is pop your condensed milk into the bowl, okay? That's sticky. So we want a whole tin of that. Okay, so then you want to add in your 400 grams of white chocolate with your condensed milk. Okay, so give that a stir. So mix it all together. Then you're going to need to use your microwave. Okay, so once we've mixed it all in, we're going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds on high. Okay. So after the 30 seconds, just give it a mix round, okay? It's going to start to warm. And then you're going to pop it in for 20 seconds. And then take it out, mix it again, and keep going 20 seconds at a time until all the chocolate has melted. So once you've done that, you're going to have a nice smooth mixture like so. Okay, you just want to put that to one side and let that cool down, and then you're going to get half of your biscuits and sprinkle them in the bottom of a lined tin. So I've popped in some greaseproof paper so it doesn't stick. Pop some of your biscuits. So like I said, we've chosen Oreos, but you can choose any biscuit you like. Works well with bourbons, custard creams. Okay, so once you've got your biscuits in the bottom, if you then pop on your mix, now it's rather sticky, so it's going to take a little bit of layering. So keep going until you've got a nice layer all over, probably half the mix, like so. So once you've popped in your mix, okay, you can then sprinkle the remaining biscuits on the top, like so. So once you've popped your biscuits on, you might want to just press them into the fudge mix, okay, just so they stick. Alright, press it down. So once you've done that, we're going to then take them over to the fridge. Once you've put all your biscuits on and press them down, okay, you then want to pop them in the fridge, okay, so pop it at the top to set, okay. It needs to be in there for about 4 to 5 hours, okay, and then you can then cut it into squares.